Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an iPhone 6s battery. This easy guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a pentalobe screwdriver, a suction cup, and a spudger. You will also need a new, compatible replacement battery. Always work in a clean, well-lit space to avoid misplacing any of the small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful battery swap. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the phone. Begin by removing the two pentalobe screws located on either side of the charging port at the bottom of your device. Next, attach a suction cup to the lower part of the screen and gently pull upwards to create a small opening. Once a gap appears, carefully insert a plastic opening tool to pry around the edges, slowly separating the display assembly from the phone's body. Take your time with this delicate step. With the phone open, it is time to disconnect and remove the old battery. First, use a plastic spudger to carefully pry up and disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. This prevents any short circuits. Next, locate the adhesive strips underneath the battery. Gently pull these strips out from beneath the battery. Once the adhesive is removed, you can carefully lift out the old battery. Remember to handle the battery with care to avoid any damage. Now for the final steps, installing your new battery and reassembling the phone. First, apply new adhesive strips to the back of your replacement battery and firmly press it into place. Then, reconnect the new battery's connector to the logic board, making sure it clicks securely. Carefully align the display assembly and press it back into position. Finally, replace the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Power on your device to confirm your successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.